Egetigia Kisii School abwase tournament ya Kisii Open Tournament ya liganetiwe anene eikendi se chigosori ao chianyarate ko ba chiko gosori wa ne chitimu wesokia elio kweligerire bagaligia se okogendera gokinia chigosori sensemo ya basketball timu ya Nyanchwa nigo yabaikolete abaligania Kisii School chiseti go se chi point emerongo enena isano ibere se emerongo nene yamo sechi finali che tournament yo na koira egekombe gie tournament yo bagokwana maiga ya tournament yo ni go baterubuna chi tournament yo nchichi go bakonya anene ase chigo sori je school je secondary chio chira chigo chaka ase omwako yega ase ogokinia obumanyi bwabo nabo igo kwementa obumanyi ase chitimu ao bara chikomera na chiro chio anene ngamone timu yo ya Kisii School.
Hii iko na muhimu sana because it's a pre-season match. We are likely to meet again at the county and we play most likely a final with Kisii School. So nimetumia to prepare and see what is like to happen at the finals. Tupatia clue what is like to happen at the county finals. I choose the approach because Kisii School are also quite tactical and they are very intelligent kids. So if you are not tactical, they are going to beat you on their intelligence. So it's also to brains, especially on the tactical part of the game, and we're able to win that match. Our players are very tired. We started our championship on Sunday, while other teams started on Saturday. We played 3 matches back to back, and my boys, I want to congratulate them. Wakona pumzi, they played all the 3 matches consecutively and won. So imetupatia gas ya kwenda county and the regions and play 2 matches during a day. This time I have very tactical players and who take instructions. Last time I've been having players who take instructions but not very tactical. The kind of players I have this year, they are very tactical, so we expect a better Nyanchwa at the regionals.